Today's moving day. Couldn't be more excited. Got a little PJ outside. It snowed a lot, and I mean, they dumped thousands of pounds of salt. We are going in today. We're out here. We got one of these bad boys up. Bah, bah. Everybody's got nice full stomachs now, working on the taller lift. My homeboy here, he's a king, literally. He's gonna be drilling it oh so nicely, pun intended. We're gonna go ahead and manhandle this one and get it up there, like the old boys did, raising the flag.
Nobody measures the height, does they?
We're gonna keep it. Nobody knows that we're raising the bar.
That's America's ass.
Right. It's got to be one of the most, I mean, important is an understatement, right? This is one of the biggest things, one of the biggest milestones of my life and of my new career. I couldn't be happier for my friends, for my family, everybody that supported me throughout the way, everything. This is huge for me, and I appreciate you. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate everybody's thoughts, everybody's prayers. I appreciate all the words, hugs, high fives, and beers shared. A lot more than many of you may know. This right here. This right here. This is a new beginning, man. Because we don't have one. We have two lifts here. A 14-foot and an 11 or 10. However tall that one is. Get a ruler, measure it. 1, 2, 11 or 10, whatever. I cooked my boys food. I promised them food and beer. We got them done. We got them up. I need to get the cables ran. I am going to bring these hydraulic lines in. This one's good. This one is leaking a little bit, so I think I'm gonna pull these hydraulic lines and bring them in just to have them rebuilt. This thing it's gotta be perfect for me. I'm gonna get it inspected as soon as I get everything up. I think when they pulled these ones, they twisted the lines here, so they got a little crack in it, and they put this condom over it, I guess. I'm just gonna pull all of the hydraulic lines and bring them to have them repaired. But they're up, man. They're up. Huge. Huge. They're up.
Cap's Garage. We're here. We ain't going nowhere. Lips and things, dude. What do you mean, dude?
Allow me to reintroduce myself. Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is